Hi, it's Sempre Pinang TV is back. Health benefits of bitter gourd or ampalaya. Osteoporosis. Bitter gourd or ampalaya is high in bone-building nutrients like magnesium, calcium, and phosphorus. It helps to improve overall bone health and facilitates it's called bone mass growth. Fight urinary tract infection. Has anti-inflammatory properties beneficial for many aspects of health, helping the body deals with infections and pains. Its diuretic properties increase the frequency of urination, assisting the body in ridding itself of harmful toxins. Bitter gourd or ampalaya have cancer-fighting properties. It contains chemicals that have anti-cancer effects. Bitter gourd extract was effective at killing cancer-causing cells in the stomach, colon, lung, and nasopharynx. Anti-inflammatory and antioxidants. The bitter leaf possesses anti-inflammatory properties that help reduce inflammation and elevate system associated with conditions like arthritis. Ampalaya is a potent source of antioxidants, which neutralize free radicals and protect cells from damage, preventing hair issues. Bitter gourd or ampalaya is amazing for preventing hair issues such as dandruff, ringworm, and even pruritus and other forms of itching. Fight acne. The presence of vitamin C in bitter gourd or ampalaya is extremely good for the skin. It helps fight acne and clean up blemishes, giving you clean and clear skin. Digestive system. Bitter gourd or ampalaya is also a great detoxifying agent. It is quite beneficial for the liver. It also boosts the enzymes and also improves gut health and overall digestive health. Weight loss. If you want to cut down on weight, let bitter gourd or ampalaya comes to the rescue. Bitter gourd or ampalaya is super rich in fiber and quite low when it comes to calories. It helps manage weight quite effectively. Insomnia. Studies prove that continuous drinking of bitter gourd ampalaya juice help increase the body energy level. Sharpen your eyesight. Vitamin E benefits the eyes in many ways. It helps sharpen the eyesight. It also reduces the dark circles in the eyes. Reduces blood sugar. Bitter gourd or ampalaya has been used to treat diabetes for a long time. Bitter gourd is supposed to improve the way sugar is utilized in your cells and increase insulin secretion, the hormone responsible for controlling blood sugar level. Bottle gourd or ampalaya prevents premature aging. Various external factors like pollution and internal factors such as stress and anxiety often affect our skin. The biggest effect is premature aging. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. God bless us all.